with JR and heading to North Carolina. First trail, Rocky Knob. See you later, alligator. We are now at Rocky Knob. Alright, see you in the trail. So guys, 2 years ago when we were here and came back just now to see what's the new things that we could see here in Rocky Knob. I think there are a lot of new features today, so let's see. We got I have with me JR right at the back. That's JR, Whitey, the decoy, Cesar, Patrick, and we have Fred by there. Alright, so there's Fred. Alright, so catch you later. At least not just like before. We use our regular bikes, but now we got on the pedal assist bike. We're ready to climb. Going up. Very nice. Alrighty. So it feels nothing now today. It's a little bit easier, and it's cold. It's very cold today. We are on the 40s. I mean, not we are on the 40s. It's 40 degrees. This is Middle Earth going up, still pedaling up. So nice. Sarap. Took us like 8 minutes to be in the Middle Earth. Aray ko. Now on the Black Forest trail, and we're gonna try this one. So always remember, pre-ride, re-ride, and free ride. All right, catch you later. Okay, we're on the Black Forest trail now. All right. Okay. Okay. Welcome to the Black Forest Trail, Rocky Knob. Alrighty, here we go. We have Patrick, Fred, picture tayo dyan. Cesar and JR. Black Forest.